In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link within a Google Docs document. Internal links make long documents easier to navigate, letting readers jump straight to the sections that matter. I'll walk you through two simple methods: linking to a heading, which is the most common, and linking to a bookmark when you need a more precise target. Start by opening your file in Google Docs. For the heading method, you'll want to format the section titles you plan to link to. Highlight a section title, then apply a heading style from the toolbar, such as Heading 1 or Heading 2. Do this for every section you intend to reference. Using proper headings not only enables linking, it also keeps your document organized and creates a helpful outline in the sidebar. If you don't see a heading later when creating the link, double check that it's actually set to a heading style and not just bold text. Clear descriptive headings also make links easier to understand for your readers. Next, choose the text that will act as your clickable link. This could be a word, a phrase, or a short sentence. Highlight it, then insert the link. On Windows, press Ctrl+K. On a Mac, press Command+K. You can also click the insert link icon on the toolbar if you prefer. In the link box that appears, look for the heading section. You'll see a list of the headings you just formatted. Select the heading you want to point to, then click Apply. Your selected text becomes a link that takes readers directly to that section. It will typically appear underlined and in blue, indicating it's clickable. If you need to land on a very specific spot rather than a whole heading, say the middle of a paragraph, use a bookmark. Place your cursor exactly where you want the link to land. Go to the Insert menu and choose Bookmark. A small blue bookmark icon will appear in the margin confirming the spot. Bookmarks are great for precise references and stay anchored even as you edit surrounding text. Now create the link the same way as before. Highlight the text that should be clickable, press Ctrl+K or Command+K, and choose the bookmark from the list that appears. Once applied, that link will jump to the precise part of your document marked by the blue icon. Clicking the link will jump to a specific part of your document, whether it's a heading or a bookmarked location. These methods work beautifully for reports, manuals, and meeting notes, and they help readers move confidently through your content. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.